In this video, we will be adding our IPOB-EL4IREW to Wi-Fi using our TechproSS application, and then showing you how to use SmartPSS to view and configure your camera. Before we get started, you want to make sure that the antenna is properly mounted to your camera. You also want to ensure your camera is properly powered. Okay, then we can go to our TechproSS application. Go ahead and open that up and select Camera. Then select the icon on the upper left-hand corner and select Device Manager. Then hit the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now it'll ask you to initialize your device. Go ahead and select OK, and then select Device Initialization at the bottom of your screen. Now select Wi-Fi connection. Then it'll ask you to scan the QR code on your camera. Okay, so we'll go ahead and scan that. Then it'll now show us the serial number. And you could also manually enter the serial number if your camera doesn't capture the QR code. Now it'll connect to the Wi-Fi that your phone is on, and it'll ask for the SSID. So I'll just go ahead and enter the password of my Wi-Fi, and then I'll select Next. So it configured, and then it asked me to create a password for my camera. Okay, so I created a password. You have the option to enter an email address. This is the option for password recovery, so it is recommended that you type a valid email address in that field. So go ahead and select OK. Now the camera has been initialized, and just select OK on the next screen here. Okay, now we're going to add a device. So now we'll select Wi-Fi device, and then select Wi-Fi config. Again, it'll ask you to scan the QR code. You can either use the camera's QR code or the QR code that's on the box. Okay, hit Next, and then again, we're going to enter the Wi-Fi password. All right, go ahead and select Next, and now it successfully has been added. And now we'll just select Next again, and we'll be able to view our camera. This is just asking us to confirm the username and password of the camera and give the device a name for the application. So I'll just name it Test and then enter the password of the camera. Select Done, and then select Start Live Preview. So now we have our live preview on our TechproSS application. We'll then show you SmartPSS on PC. So first thing we'll do is we'll show you the version of SmartPSS. It's 2.01.0. Okay, just to show you what we're working with here. And then we'll go to Devices, Auto Search, Refresh. So I have a list of cameras on here, so I know what those other IPs are. So this one stuck out to me, which assigned itself to my network here. Now I'll go ahead and modify the IP address, and we'll change it to a static IP. Okay, so before it was 192.168.1.114. We're now going to change it to 192.168.1.115. And you could change it to a different range. This is just the example that we're using here on our local network. Okay, so now we'll make sure it's checked and we'll select Add. We'll enter the username and password, and now the camera is added to SmartPSS. We'll then select the plus and we'll show you the live view. So just double click on the device and there's our live view just as it was on TechproSS, our mobile application. So we'll go back to the plus icon again and we'll go to device configuration. This is where you can make changes such as your resolution, frames per second, night and daytime modes, things of that nature. Okay, so that can all be changed using SmartPSS. Under Video Detect, you can enable your motion detection. The storage, you can link it to an FTP server. And then the system will be your general date and time and your account settings. I hope this video has helped. Please contact technical support if we can assist any further. Thank you for watching.